Hi guys, welcome back to Divine Times 2. Hope you are having a great day. Today I am making chicken and mini gnocchi soup. If you are looking for a flavorful and comforting soup to warm you up during the season, then look no further. It's simple to make using store-bought mini gnocchi and made with no cheese or milk. Can't wait to show you how I make the soup, so join me in the kitchen and let's get started. You will need 3 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces. Place the chicken in a zippered plastic bag and add half a cup of all-purpose flour to the bag. Close it and shake the chicken with the flour, making sure each piece is well coated. Then place to the side. In a large Dutch oven or pot, add 1/4 cup of olive oil. Heat on medium to low heat. Begin cooking the chicken and brown on both sides. Do not overcrowd the pot. You will need to cook the chicken in batches. When each batch is browned, place it on a plate and set aside. In the same Dutch oven, add 1 large chopped onion, 3 large sliced carrots, half a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a sprinkle of salt. Give it a stir and cook on medium to low heat for 8 minutes or until the vegetables are tender. Now add the chicken back into the Dutch oven. Add 5 minced garlic cloves and stir. Add 1 tablespoon poultry seasoning, stir. Pour 10 cups of chicken stock and stir. Partially cover the Dutch oven and reduce the heat to low-medium. Cook for 45 minutes. After cooking for 45 minutes, stir. And add a 12-ounce package of thawed green peas. And 1 16-ounce package of mini gnocchi. Stir and cook until gnocchi is tender, about 1 to 2 minutes. Now add half a cup of room temperature almond milk. Stir and heat through. Then sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh parsley. Give it a taste and add salt or black pepper if you think it needs it. This soup is ready to enjoy. I love that it has lots of fresh veggies and mini plump chewy gnocchi. It's simple to make and the result is a delicious, warming and comforting soup. Hope you give this a try. You are going to love it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already and check out our other simple, delicious and comforting recipes. Remember to be kind and positive. See ya next time. Love ya. Bye.